with the ingredients first. I have cut 1 capsicum and a cucumber, some lettuce leaves, wash them and pat dry them nicely, some bell peppers, sweet chili sauce, rice paper sheets, a ball of warm water, a wet muslin cloth and a microfiber. So let's spread this muslin cloth on the shell. Take a sheet of rice paper and dip it carefully in the warm water. Keep it revolving like this. This will get softened very soon. Take it out and spread it on the muslin cloth. Now wet this microfiber also, and once again just move it with it. Now put a lettuce leaf as a base. Like this, spread it nicely, flatten it a little bit. Add cucumber, capsicum, bell pepper. Arrange your veggies carefully. And spread some sweet chili sauce on the top. Like this. Now fold it very carefully. See, now the sheet has become very soft. So just fold it from the base and then the sides. Let's make one more. Same way. Dip it nicely. As per your wish. You can add sauteed chicken or prawns or tofu also at the base, whatever you want. Then some chili sauce, sweet chili sauce, and now close it nicely. Take it out very carefully. This might tear also. Peanuts, 1 tablespoon sugar. You can take brown sugar, otherwise regular caster sugar will do. 1 tablespoon lime juice, half teaspoon salt and coconut milk. Add all the ingredients to a jar. taking 100 ml of coconut milk. Give it a nice churn and your peanut sauce is ready. Our peanut sauce is absolutely ready. Just pour it and enjoy your rolls.